Hello everyone, my name is Kehinde Olalere. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer. I'm also a partner at Olalere Law Office, a Canadian immigration law firm. We've been in existence for over 16 years, helping people to come to Canada or to remain in Canada. So we talk about Canadian immigration on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, please click on subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. We really appreciate you. Today we're going to be talking about how a nurse can immigrate to Canada. There are two main ways that a nurse can immigrate to Canada. Each person's situation may be different, but there are two main ways. One of the ways is through the Express Entry Program. The Express Entry Program is the avenue through which many skilled professionals immigrate to Canada. So, one of the things they're going to be looking at is your eligibility to immigrate to Canada. In determining your eligibility, the Immigration Department for Canada will be looking at your age, your education, your work experience, your language skills, your adaptability, and whether you have arranged employment. Okay? So it's a point-based system. It's a strictly point-based system. Also, you have to have settlement funds to settle in Canada. The amount of settlement funds you have to have is dependent on your family size. The second way that nurses can come to Canada is through some pilot programs that the Immigration Department has established. What are those pilot programs? Number one is the Home Child Care Provider Pilot, and the second one is the Home Support Worker Pilot Program. Okay, so these programs will enable you to come and live and work in Canada. Okay, you'll be able to get a work permit to come to Canada and later become a permanent resident after working for 2 years under this program. It's not a point system. There's no settlement funds requirements. So if you don't have the funds, but you're able to get a job in Canada, you'll be able to immigrate under this program. If you have family like your spouse or common law partner or conjugal partner, and you have children, dependent children, those children will be able to immigrate to Canada. They can come temporarily with you when you're coming to Canada, and then become permanent residents with you when you meet your 2 years work experience requirements in Canada under those pilot programs. Or they can come later on as permanent residents once you've satisfied the requirements of the program to become a permanent resident. There's no point system involved yet. There's no settlement funds. So the key question is, how are you going to be able to get that job? So the best way to find out about that is to look at some of our YouTube videos on how to look for jobs in Canada. Okay, so look for those YouTube videos. We've talked a lot about how to search for jobs in Canada. We don't look for jobs for people, but if you look at those videos, you'll get an idea of how you can look for jobs in Canada. There's a big demand for people that provide child care in Canada, and there's also a big demand for people that need home support worker in Canada. So I hope you've learned a little bit of things today with regards to how a nurse can immigrate to Canada. There are other requirements, but please feel free to contact us to schedule a detailed consultation to determine your eligibility. Thank you so much for watching.